Hey guys, welcome back to again on the Shape It. So hope you guys are doing good. I'm good anyway. So after uploading this furniture design of episode 20, I've seen like a lot of response on Walmart. So today I thought of creating the kind of a modern boot design which I have seen in the Amazon website. Thought of creating the same. Kind of a design for the furniture. So I'm seeing a lot of response which is coming for the furniture. So I think like that is pretty much for me to cover up more episode on that. And moving forward, I will be creating more stuff rather than on the furnitures. Please do comment in the section like what are the things which you are looking for, so that I can plan accordingly and then I can create for you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the new part and then we'll move forward for the new design what you have seen in the thumbnail. Okay, see guys, so one small request from you, so definitely it's going to be a subscribe, so please do subscribe. It will be a small token for me and it will be a small motivation as well, so that I can upload a lot of videos and then you can watch continuously with the new features which is available in the SolidWorks. And then I'm putting a little effort on that. I'm not expecting much on that, so please to subscribe and also try to watch a complete video so that you won't miss any features in between on while creating the the models or drawing. So first of all, I will tell you there's no drawing for this. I'm just creating a model and I'm gonna upload in the GrabCAD as well. You can guys can download. It was available in description, also in my bio. Yeah. Okay. So now let's get start with the top line. Before that, I'm gonna set my units, so it's going to be an so you guys can plan according to your country or your standard. Let's start with circle. Yep, it's gonna be 600 so from the sketch I'm gonna select the future. Gonna select the circle. So and now now I'll select the right plane. So I just want an angle which I would like to have 45-degree. So this is a kind of an approximate dimension which I'm showing you, so you guys can plan accordingly and how you want. It's going to be 600. Yep. So 3 and 600 which have been taken the reference of the bottom circle. So you can plan according to your dimension, similar way, and go to the features and that select the curve, and I want a projected curve. So I'm gonna select this as my reference, and this is what I want to project. So I want a circle such a way so that it will be like create an elliptical way from side view if you see like that, but in the top view it will be like a circle. So this is how I'm going to create a job my geometry, I mean the skeleton sketch. So now we'll use a sweep. So this feature will help you to create a bead. Either you can go for a wood or a steel, however you guys can prefer based on your requirement. The material can be up to you. So I'm gonna show you now how to create a bead or a circular profile. So I'm select the circle profile in the sweep. So you can decide the size. Like for now, I'm gonna select the 25, and this is what I want to create a. This is my path, and this is a profile of the circle 25, which have been created here now. So yeah, now we have a kind of a ring. So select OK now. Similarly, I want to be created for this. So if you select a sweep and again a circular profile, by chance if it is get, it's okay, but in few cases it won't be available. You can convert that as a 3D sketch and then you can give a try on that. Yeah, 25. This time I'm gonna remove the merge results because I don't want to merge up to here, so I'm gonna keep some little clearance on that to merge. Yeah, so 25 would be decent enough for now. Yep. Now what I will do, I will just slightly move this towards 24, something like that, because 25 if you do, it will be a zero wall thickness. So I'm gonna move 24, something close to that. I will hide this here. So my skeleton is ready. I mean the base structure is ready. So now what we are gonna do here, gonna create a base profile. Select again on the top. Do with this, create, yes, same sketch, and then do the similar way of sweep. Select circular, select sketch, go for 25. So this time it will be at the center. Select OK. So before that, what I suggest is, like, we'll try to remove the mesh and we'll try to rotate it. Yep, circular pattern. Go for a circular pattern. I'm gonna remove now. It has a separate body. So if you're gonna hide, you can see the bead of this. So this all, like, you can measure and cut in the wood or a steel how you want, like a kind of a hollow pipe. You can bend it, you can cut on the cut list. So it's all up to you. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a circular pattern. So I'm select this as my reference, or like you can select an axis as a temporary axis. You will get this axis. So 90, yes, definitely it could be a 90 because I just want to flip this. So body, I gonna select this body to be rotated, and axis, by mistake I've selected this, so I'm gonna select this. Yeah, so 90 degree you have now at this time. Yes, perfect. So at this time I will combine this and this. Yeah, so as a whole body, now you can see as a single body, it becomes the complete all a whole body. Now as a, it shows as a single body. So now we are going to connect this base and the elliptical ring. Yeah. So how are we going to connect? So again, I'm going to select the top plane for that. So this time I'm going to keep this as a reference. This the base sketch what we have created at initial time. So either you can go for 25, but if you feel like it is, like, completely got filled, so go with a very minimalistic, or an 80 also could be fine. Yeah, for now I'm gonna select 20. So uh, this sketch we have to create as a circular pattern. So this will help definitely. Once I have been created circular pattern, I will show you in the future why we have to do a circular pattern in the sketch rather than doing a body. So sketch definitely will help to complete all the process at a single stage. So this could be our reference arc, and my entity could be this one. Now 4. So we can go, this all depends like how much you want basically. Okay. So here I can go with a different sketch or different numbers which I would like to have. uh, for now we can go for 20 also. Fine, let's explore 20. Okay, here it came, and this too, maybe we can go still more close. Yeah, fine. I think this and this you can benchmark, and we can skip this two, which is not required for now. These two are, because very close, and then we are not going to extend that face. Yeah, right. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna create a sketch. Sorry, bath extrude. From here I'm gonna select up to next. Basically up to next won't come since it was at the center of the plane, so it will only match with the circle. So this time what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna offset the plane from the top around 25. Oh, sorry, maybe 25 by divide by 2. yes. And still, like, we can move further of 1 mm or 2 mm, so that in the back side we can fill it up. Yep, 15 should be fine. Yep. So this I have rolled back. Again, I roll back to this. I'm going to edit the sketch plane. I'm going to move from this bottom to the top, so my sketch will be get moved automatically. So here this time I'm gonna select again the boss extrude and go for an up to next. Yeah, you can see here, right? So this will get covered up to the body, or how you want that elliptical shape. So it will be get covered in the bottom side. I'm gonna use the direction 2 and use 10 mm. That was not an issue anyway. It has to get merged with this body. So this time automatically it will get merged. So I'm been selected merge result, so it will become a single body now. So as you can see here, this is how it has to be done. So in the practical manufacturing point of view, you can always go with the single bodies and don't merge with that, and you can measure it and cover up with that. So just do the furniture design. This is how the process which can be covered in the SolidWorks. So the main thing is ready now. So still a few things like foam and the base, foot, all I'm going to cover now again by selecting the top line. This time I'm going to cover up with 45 degree. That will help maximum support. I think 4 should be fine. 20 we will go again. So this time I'm going to select this to be 45 degree angle, and circular pattern 4. Yes, automatically been done. So from here I'm going to select again an extrude, not up to next, blind. The bottom it should be a 20 or even 35, makes sense. Zoom and see, yeah, this should be fine, but still if you want more clearance you can go for 25 as well, or sorry, again 10 extra, 35 could be fine. So make sure you have a circular or a smooth surface. Maybe it has more contact rather than having this radius, but aesthetically it may look good. Once you do with a wooden or steel, it won't be not nice because it will be have a slippery, but when you go with the wooden it may look good in a way of vintage, something like that. Yep. So this is done now at this moment. So now we are going to create a foam in like the material cloth in the to cover up the foam. So again I'm going to select the same kind of top line. From there we're going to start with the circular. As you know, this we cannot make a 0 0, so I'm going to give some clearance over there. I'm going to select here, it could be a 570, it was very close to that, so some clearance is there again. So let me offset somewhere around 12.5. We're going to touch from there. So around how much? 220 we will make, so, or maybe 225, not much because this is a different entity. Yeah. And again I'm going to select the surface, convert entity, offset to 25, around 65, reverse. Yes, and this time I'm going to make it the center, select this point and center line, and select this coincident, trim it, use power trim so that it will be easy for you guys to trim it. Yeah, perfect, that's great. Extrude, go further and we can trim it that. Don't merge, it will be like this. Yeah. So this time select a right plane, make sure you have this sketch. Yes, and I'm gonna offset that and 5, or maybe a convert entity, and then this line I just want to be a construction line, and I'm gonna offset this reverse, something like this. Yeah, it will be a top of that. 55 should be fine. Maybe depends on your need, but always make sure it should be a top of that. Yeah, and now extrude cut, flip it, select the separate body, or okay, it should be created using a face of solid. Okay, okay. I think there should be something wrong in this. Probability, what we can do here, not very big deal of trimming the part. I can do this. Keep it. Okay, I have one more option for you guys to explain. So just discard this and then come out. Oh, sorry. Again, right line. We'll go with this continuity. Quickly, I will make. Gonna be reverse. This, yeah. It will be like this, and let me bring it here. This line, let me constrain. So this line we have. So we have a call feature. In that we have a split. Oh, sorry, not split. Maybe this could be in the direct editing. Yeah, go for a split. So this will definitely help you to split the body. Yeah, this time you have to make sure the consume cut body so that it will be get deleted automatically, which is not required for us. The body which you have selected. Yeah, now so go with the fillets, round fillet. Yep, and at this bottom you can go for and select other. Yeah, yes, perfect. Yes, this body, this face. Again, right click, select other. You have to make sure this the bottom face to be selected. Yep. So this is a kind of a trick which I'm showing. So most of the people like will hide this body and then will select from the top bottom. So you can always use right click and select other when you are in the future. So I'm gonna select this as a 10 mm or probably 15, 25 makes 20. I think good. Yeah, perfect. Else also if you feel like very thing, you can also always change the profile how you want. I mean the way you can create the balls. As I said, 2065 may not be a correct way, and always try and alternate options like this also can be done, but you can just offset from here if you guys want like this something. Okay, 20, but this time let it be at this rate. Yep, yes, that's now pretty good. And go for a bottom radius of 20, and less also fine. 20 is not that, because the bottom we may not have that deal, but only the top we may need. So either you go for an asset asset symmetric or an symmetric, but this time I will try it in multi-radius, but this option should be there. I don't know. Maybe radius. Yeah, we have to select the age. And this time, okay, in the top we'll create 20, 10, and the bottom will create something 20. Yes, yep, smooth, perfect. So this is how you can create your charts, like whichever you want to see in your you know any reference, something like that. So I think overall we have covered pretty much feature in the SolidWorks. I hope you like this video. Definitely I will come back with a new a new design or a different domain. Please do comment in the comment section what you are looking for and how was this overall session. So this will definitely motivate, and I will take your feedback in further videos to correct myself, since I'm also growing by with you. Please do comment. That will definitely uh, help me as well. Yep. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe. We'll see you soon in the next interesting video. Until then, bye from Shapeit. Thank you.